Hi, this is Dipesh here, and you're watching my YouTube channel for reviews, for opinions. And before you move on to the video, before you watch the entire video, kindly click on subscription button and make sure that you watch my channel regularly. Now, as you know, on September 3, the Money Heist Part 5 is getting released, and I'm really very excited, and so are you too. So, what I have done is to remember or to revise or recollect everything that happened or that led to this season 5. Let us summarize in season 3, season 4, and season 5. So, September 3, sorry, season 3, I have already summarized. You can find that video. I will also put that link into the bio. This is season 4 that I'm summarizing for you people. Season 4 is all about, season 3 was all about plan, was all about execution, was all about craftsmanship. But season 4 is full of emotions. Things are going wrong, which was not expected, anticipated, or planned. And that is the reason why season 4 has lots and lots of drama, lots and lots of emotions, and lots of surprise element, to be honest. What has happened, as I said, in season 3, Nairobi has been shot, but now she is not dead yet. Lisbon is also captured, but Professor feels that Lisbon has been shot. This strategy was adopted by police to put an emotional pressure on Professor so that he gets angry, and in frustration he makes some of the other mistake. So Professor now escaped the entire farm, leaves back, and he's trying to get back to the base location. On the other hand, inside the bank, Martin has got the information saying Lisbon is already dead, and Martin is thinking of leaving the heist team and evacuating and fleeing this bank. On the other hand, in the same bank, Nairobi is getting operated with the help of a surgeon through internet, and the surgery is done by the heist team itself. As I said, Professor has planned everything in this web series. You won't find any of the loopholes because the entire plan that is set up has been reviewed multiple times of what can go right, what can go wrong, and surgery is one thing that they always have kept in plan. If anyone gets shot, then they will be able to perform a surgery on that person with the help of a surgeon through internet. This is what is happening with Nairobi. But as I said, in this entire chaos, there's every time some or the other person who owns the responsibility. Over here, Tokyo takes the command from Martin. Martin, who is highly egoistic person and who has planned this entire heist, who is leading this entire heist, is the only reason Martin is there is not for the gold, but for his leadership and proving that his plan is full proof and successful. The moment Tokyo takes the leadership charge from the Martin egos get hurt, and he says he will be leaving this bank anyhow. Now he is not a part of heist team, and he decide to revolt against his own team. The entire team ganged up against the Martin, chains him to the chair, and put him beside the bodyguards. Whose bodyguards? Governor's bodyguard, which are now hostage to the heist team. Martin, as is very much angry with the heist team on he getting chained, his leadership command taken forcefully, decides to rebel and decide to support this bodyguard to create a chaos, and in this chaos this bodyguard will kill the entire heist team. So what happens, Martin decides to come with a pact with this bodyguard Gandhia, which is a lunatic, a maniac when it comes to killing, and he decides to make a pact Gandhia, saying that he will help Gandhia to release from this handcuff which is tied to. In return, Gandhia should help Martin to get away from this scene. Gandhia agrees. Martin also agrees. Martin provides Gandhia a very beautiful solution. He says, break this bone of your thumb, automatically your hand will come out of the handcuff, and then you can create a chaos and kill anyone he wants to. So the plan is someone from inside will will go on to the heist team, there will be a chaos, and these people will not be able to concentrate what is going on the outside, and then the army can rush inside. So it will be a total success mission for the police. Gandhia does as Martin says. He breaks his thumb, removes his hand from the handcuff, and runs. Where does he run? He runs into a secret room which has all the screens and camera attached to the entire bank, and tries and comes up with his own plan of to kill anyone. Meanwhile, Nairobi is recovering. Tokyo, Tokyo is captured by Gandhia. Now Gandhia is out to capture one or the other members of the heist team. He is surrounded by the heist team in a washroom with Nairobi. Now Nairobi is his shield. He uses Nairobi for his shield to just get away. Heist team agrees to Gandhia to leave Nairobi and he can get away. Heist team will not fire one bullet towards him. Gandhia agrees to it. Gandhia comes out with guns at Nairobi's head. But Gandhi, as I said, he's a maniac, he's a lunatic. Before running, he kills Nairobi and he runs, in which Gandhi gets severely injured and gets paralyzed from one side. Almost get paralyzed from one side, not totally. But somehow he reaches the panic secret room. Over there, Tokyo is there. Nairobi, who is dead now, it creates that emotional belongingness for each and everyone. Nairobi's body is taken with full respect outside the bank by the governor's bodyguard, and this in turn creates a lot of sympathy in crowd for the professor. All are dejected and depressed by the loss of Nairobi. They capture Gandhia, and now Gandhia is their hostage. Meanwhile, outside, Professor is planning to get Lisbon out from the police custody somehow, so that police won't have any advantage over the heist team, emotionally also. After Nairobi is dead, there is an emotional saga that runs through the crowd, and where the crowd demand for a natural fair trial to Lisbon, and somehow Lisbon is taken to the court for the trial. That is the only chance Professor has to take back to the bank so that she is safe with the heist team. Professor brings out all the miners, best miners that they can, and dig an underground tunnel from a Chinese restaurant to the Supreme Court's parking lot. They build a tunnel. The moment Lisbon comes out of the court, she is swept by a similar looking lady, Gandhia, as army knows that Gandhia is inside, but they haven't known that Gandhia has been kept hostage now. He's been captured by the heist team. Heist team stage an illusion saying that Gandhia wants to come out and he is asking for an helicopter help. So they stage all this firing and etc. There's come the army helicopter to evacuate Gandhia safely. But again, there is a twist over here. As I said, the heist team entered Royal Bank dressed in military. So this time also they get dressed in military, comes as helicopter's pilot with Lisbon in it, and they bring Lisbon back to the bank, put her in heist team, and again they get evacuated. Now the entire story of Rio is in media. Now the people are going crazy about how one can torture any of a human being so mercilessly, and hence now police has come under investigation. See, here nothing is going right with this police people. Reason is that the Rio's torture and the video has come out, which has given a sympathizer and which has made the crowd agitated. Nairobi is dead due to the police, and that has created a sympathy vote. Professor, who has come in front of television and presented his view about the heist and how they have captured Lisbon and kept without giving a fair trial, again it has created a public emotions. Now nothing is with police. So government sacks 2 to 3 police officials, but one of the police officer, the lady police officer, decides to still pursue the case. She gets some of the leads, and now at the end she reaches the base of professor, the base location of the professor, from where the professor is controlling all the action. Professor is chained now. Lisbon is with the heist team inside the bank. Police is totally devastated and they don't know what to do. Over here, professor is hanged upside down and the total plan is in chaos. Season 5 will focus on what happens if professor is not in control of the entire stage scene and how these people will get out when professor is not there to help them. Still, I hope I did justice with season 4. As I said, season 4 was an emotional saga. Less event happened, but those events were emotional events, so most of the efforts were put into taking their emotions out rather than plan and execution. So this is a summarized version of Money Heist season 4. Hopefully you people have liked it. So till then, keep watching my channel, keep subscribing my channel, keep liking my channel. Thanks. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.